things that I really struggled with during my first year, and honestly all the way into my second year where I am now as a student, is food. Whilst I'm not the worst cook in the world, I'm definitely not the most enthusiastic cook in the world, which means often when I'm busy at uni and busy with my societies and all that kind of stuff, food is kind of where I'm lacking. So I thought I would try and break that. And one of the things I've heard a lot of people talking about is meal planning. So I figured, why not do a video for student life of trying a meal plan for a week to kind of see, is this something I can do in the future? What's it like for somebody who's never really done that before and is honestly not that organized with her time? And is it gonna help me eat healthier, make better choices, actually cook food, all that stuff. So yeah, that's what this video is going to be about. So here's the meal plan I made. I'm not gonna go through the entire meal plan, but a couple of places you'll see that I put, it says noodles leftover. And that is because usually when I cook, I make sure to make 2 portions. So kind of like meal prepping, it just makes it easier for me because I know I'm not going to be able to cook for like every lunch and every dinner. Other than that, I'll try and have like salad and vegetable sticks as my snacks to keep it a little bit healthier. I'm going to be excited to see if I can actually stick to it. Sometimes I don't have as much time as I think I do in the day. So yeah, let's just kind of see how it goes. Most of the things I put in the meal plan were things I already had in my fridge. So I had a bunch of like frozen chicken, frozen veg type of stuff in there, which is a godsend. I also realized that having the smoothie and the vegetable sticks throughout the day sometimes was a little much. I think in the future I would probably try and find something that had a little bit more fat in it, so a little more filling, like I would incorporate nuts a bit earlier. Also maybe have a little bit of salt because I could definitely feel myself craving salt, and that's where the crisps come in. About halfway through the week I was getting a bit tired of the vegetables. I also kind of ran out and forgot to restock. So I definitely had a couple of days where I ended up with a bag of crisps and I didn't film it because I was like, oh, let's not tell them, but yeah, no, definitely. During the last half of the week, I also kind of failed on the smoothies because that is a lot to get up and do every morning. I think if I'm gonna continue with that, I might do it every other day because it also got a little bit expensive. So that is definitely something I'm trying to be mindful of as well. Tonight is definitely one of those nights where I just don't feel like cooking, but because I'm doing this video and I'm doing the meal plan, I have to. And to be honest, that's pretty good because otherwise I would just spend money probably on takeout, which is not good for me or my bank account. So I've just had a bite of the salmon and I'm quite proud because I've actually managed to not make it too dry, which I often do with salmon because it's a little bit trickier, but it's nice and moist. It's a gross word, moist, I know, but it's not dry, non-dry fish. Yay. I've just gotten back from work and tonight is one of those days where I'm really happy that I have got some food because I'm so tired. Like all I want to do is just lay myself down, watch some YouTube, and then just like chill and go to bed. Would I do it again? For sure. I would absolutely do it again, but I would also maybe try and meal plan like half my meals just so I have that leeway of like, oh, if I want to go out with friends, I can do that and be like, I have 1 or 2 meals I can do it with. Things I did enjoy though was knowing what I needed to eat, so I didn't have to like come up with something. Also because I was doing this video and I like had the meal plan, I was more likely to actually get into the kitchen. I think I could have made more cost-efficient choices, like I said, cutting down at how many smoothies I'm making and also how much variety I wanted in food. So overall, I did think it made me make healthier choices. It probably helped my bank account, but it could have helped my bank account more, and I could have made it a bit easier for myself had I actually cooked a lot of the meals at the same time. I hope you found this informational or entertaining or something like that. Let me know in the comments down below if you meal plan or if you're gonna try out meal planning, how it goes for you, that kind of stuff. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I hope you have great, wonderful days full of healthy, nutritious meals. Bye!